Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an EA account. All right, so first off, you go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be Edge, Google Chrome, or Brave right here. Or if you have any other browser, go ahead and open it up. Now, once you're in here, just basically type down ea.com. All right, so hit on enter. Well, if it's load, and then once it loads at the very top or at the top right, you have this icon. Okay, so what you do is just click on this profile icon and then go ahead and click on create account. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can basically connect your Google account from here, or Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox, or PlayStation. Okay, or you can start from the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the country or region right here as is because I live in the Philippines. Now the month right here, the birth date, and the year. Okay, now once that's done, click on next. Wait if it's load, and then once it loads, go ahead and type down your email address, and then just click on next. Once you're on this page, you will be sent an email code or a code for verification. So the email will look like this. Okay, so just double click on the code, right click and copy. And by the way, you can create an account using your mobile device. All right. Once the code is entered, click on next. Wait for it. Now go ahead and type down your preferred EA ID. So let's say I'm just going to put down this EA ID, and then I'm going to type down my preferred password. All right. Now, once that's done, just tap on this checkbox and click on create account. And after that, when you go ahead over to the top right, here you now have your profile. Okay, you can now then go ahead and go to account settings and set it up however you want. And that is how you create an EA account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.